guys, welcome to today's video. I am super excited because I picked up one of the Lunar Beauty mystery boxes. I got the smallest box because I haven't tried much from Lunar Beauty, but I want to try more from them. I'm currently wearing like one of the only products that I have, the liquid lipstick in Perfection. I also have like a lip gloss in Moon and the sponge, but I know my friend Heather Austin loves Lunar Beauty. She has like almost everything. And when I saw these little mystery boxes, the one that I got I think was like $50. I was like, you know what, that's a good way to try products out. I know there's something in here that's limited edition. I did already open this and there was something that was like specifically for these boxes, so I thought it was fun. You may have already seen these videos and you may have already watched them because I know I'm not the best at getting things up quickly, but I have it here, so I thought I would open it with you and share my thoughts. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Kelly and I love all things makeup and beauty. I love talking. I love makeup. I love talking about makeup, so if you like to chat about makeup too, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of the K-Bella fam, but why don't we go ahead and dive into the box. First of all, the box is so cute. Everything came packaged so well. Like I said, I did peek in here, so I already know what's in here, but you have this bubble wrap, which kept everything intact. And when you open it up, in case this is your first time being here or your first time seeing this box, I did see some Lunar Beauty brushes, which I'm really excited to try out. I actually almost purchased some of their brushes, and then I don't know why I held back at the last minute, but I did. So we have this brush here, which I don't see a name, but it's double-sided. This side looks super fluffy, almost like it could be like for bronzer or blush. And this one, it's fluffy as well, but it's a little bit more tapered, so it almost looks like you could use it for highlight. So maybe blush, bronzer, and highlight. Super cute. I know my friend Heather Austin was saying that she likes to hold on to these things because after she washes them, she puts them back on. The only thing is I know she goes from the bottom up. How do I get this on without ruining the bristles? Because I took it off, but now I don't think I can get it back on. But that is the first brush. The other brushes look like eye brushes. This one right here is the LBE 5, which actually looks like a small packing brush maybe, which would be good because I have really small eyes, so I typically use my BK203, but I feel like they don't make a ton of small packing brushes, and that's what I need. So that one looks like it would be good for that. This one is the LBE 1, which looks like a crease brush, super nice and fluffy. And then this one is more detailed, LBE 7. It's very tiny. This would be good for detail work, even the inner corner. If you wanted, you could go in on the lash line. I love the ombre look. It's like an ombre matte look. This one I'm a little concerned with storing because I just keep my brushes in there and I don't want to like plop it in there, so this one might have to be stored somewhere else, but overall I'm super excited to try out some of their brushes. Okay, so after the brushes, here is the rest of the box here. So there were 2 lip products. Like I said, I am wearing the lipstick in Perfection now, and so I pulled out a liquid lipstick and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Perfection. Literally one of the only products that I have. I have a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a sponge, and this is the lipstick that I have. So this is obviously not the one I'm wearing. I don't feel the need to have a backup, so I would have been way more excited to have this if I didn't already have this in my collection, but it's a beautiful shade. So there you go, you can see the shade. And then you get a lip gloss in the shade Mystery. And I didn't open the liquid lipstick, but I opened this gloss. I mean, I didn't open the packaging, I just opened the box. And you can see here that it's like glittery and sparkly. It's like a gold shimmer. And I'm just not a huge gloss person in general, so I don't feel like this gloss is something that I would get a ton of use out of. So I think I'm going to put these two to the side. We'll talk more about that in a minute. But yeah, I mean, I wanted to try out more from their lip products. It's a bummer that I already have the liquid lipstick and I'm just not a huge gloss fan. So passing on those. And then there is a palette. Now, when I saw the palette and I opened it, I could see through the packaging that it was a Moon Spell, and I got super excited. I was hoping it was the original Moon Spell because I never purchased it. I delayed. I wanted to purchase it. I put it off. I didn't get it, and now it's discontinued. But this is actually the new one, the Volume 2. You can see it right here. The packaging is beautiful. Moon Spell Volume 2. I have not swatched it. I have not touched it. I just opened it to make sure that nothing was broken. And you can see it right here. Now, I have to be honest. This is not my color story. I am such a neutral lover, and this palette is so colorful, so beautiful, so colorful. It looks amazing, but I would never touch half of these shades. Honestly, I wouldn't. And so I kind of felt bad, you know. I was hoping that it was either going to be the Moon Spell Original or the Lunar Beauty Eclipse palette. Those are two palettes that I would be into trying. I really do want to try a palette from the brand because I don't have one yet. It's just unfortunate that this is like the one palette where there's like, you know, a lot of colors. And if you're not new here, I am not into a lot of colors. So that was the box. Overall, I'm not disappointed that I got it. You can see it's empty now. I'm not disappointed that I got the box. I think it's a fun way to try more. If Manny does more, I could potentially see myself trying another one. But overall, the only products that I'm really going to use from this box are the brushes. So I thought to myself, I'm going to keep the brushes. What should I do with the rest of the products? Now, I don't really have anyone in mind that I feel like would really love this palette in my everyday life. I could probably find people for the lip products, but I thought instead, I haven't done a giveaway on my channel in a while, and I recently hit 3,000 subscribers. When I get to 5,000, I would love to do like a big international giveaway, but I thought, you know what? If I'm not going to use these products, there may be someone out there who couldn't get the mystery box and they really want to try out Lunar Beauty. So I'm actually going to do a giveaway. I'm going to keep the brushes for myself, but I am going to put the Moon Spell and these two lip products in the giveaway and ship those off to you. So giveaway rules, you need to be subscribed to me, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Also, I'm going to say, because it's just a few products, that unfortunately, I'm going to say that it's only open to the US and Canada because international shipping is super expensive. So since these are just 3 products, US and Canada only. Like I said though, when I hit 5,000, if I hit 5,000 subscribers, I would love to do a big giveaway, an international giveaway, and like add a ton of stuff. This is something I didn't expect to have a giveaway. Like, I didn't expect to be giving away stuff in the mystery box, but if I'm not going to use it, I know that I have so many subscribers who will probably want to try it out. So if you want to enter the giveaway and you are subscribed and you are 18 and older, go ahead and leave me a comment. With the comment, if you could put either your email address or your Twitter or your Instagram, some way for me to get a hold of you, then I'm just going to randomly pick one of you. I will contact you and ship this off to you. So let's talk about dates. Okay, this, I believe, is going to go up on Wednesday the 23rd. So why don't we give it 2 weeks? This will go through March the 9th. March the 9th will be the last day that you can enter, and that gives me a couple days to contact the winner, and the next day is spring break, and I can ship it out to you. So how does that sound? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to enter the giveaway, go right ahead. I am super excited to be able to ship these products off for someone else to try, but I'm also super excited to try the brushes myself, and I might just have to bite the bullet and buy a palette myself instead of trying a mystery box. But if he does another mystery box, I would totally get it again. I'm not disappointed that way. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe before you go. That way I can see you in the next one.